A lot of us want to pursue design engineering as a career. Talking about design engineering, there are many kind of softwares which are used by a design engineer to design a particular component, a car, or even a smallest mechanical component. Talking about SolidWorks is the most used software worldwide. It has many key features like 3D solid modeling, weldments, 2D drawings, and also a motion study which helps to analyze an engineer to study more about a particular product. In this video, I'll be showing you the introductory part of SolidWorks and its tools, analysis, and how it works. I will give you a basic overview of how SolidWorks work and its basic components and tools which are used in SolidWorks. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So hey guys, as you can see on my screen, we are using SolidWorks 2017 and this is the basic interface which will be appear on your screen. So first, when you reach on your screen, you have to go here and click on new. You will see three options: part, assembly and drawing. First you have to click on part is basically used for a 3D representation of a simple design component, and assembly is something when you have to design more in a 3D arrangement part, and drawings are basically used by civil engineers to design a 2D representation of a component or a building structure. So first we'll click on the part. So this is the screen interface which will be appear on your screen. This part is known as the design tree, where you have to select a particular plane which you have to work on, right? Like if you want to work on the front plane, you have to right click and go to the normal to surface, and you will be at the 3D sketching of the surface. To make any kind of drawing, you first have to make a 3D sketch of your component and then turn it into 3D component. On the upper side you will see the navigation tools, and here are the all the tools which are required to make a particular component, like features, sketch, evaluate and others. So first we'll go to sketch, and these are the basic component which are used to make a particular design or a component or a part. So first option is the line. Clicking here, you will find a new interface, and this arrow represents three types of line which are used in SolidWorks, like line, center line and midpoint line. Line is the simplest representation. You just have to select it, and here it is. So you, remember one thing: when you start a new drawing or take a new tool, do start from the center of the axis, which is here y-axis, x-axis, and there is other z-axis. So first clicking here and click again. Then you will, then after you have to press escape to enter, to exit the line. Now to give it a smart dimension, go to smart dimension, click here and click on the line again. You will find the length of the line. You just have to click again, and you have to a dialog box will appear which will says what meter you have, what distance you have to give to the line. You just have to click here, and for example I have to make 10 mm line. You have to just enter 10 and press enter. So as you can see, it automatically gives dimension to the particular component, line or any kind of surface. The same goes with the circle. You just have to select circle and click here, and there you go. Now you have to again click on the smart dimension, click on the center of the circle and click on the line of the circle. Yeah, here you have to select which type of dimension you want, like smart dimension, horizontal dimension, vertical dimension. depends on the different type of dimension you want for your component. So the second type of circle is parametric perimeter circle, and it is the same way. You have to select 2 points to make a circle, 3 points, sorry, to make a circle, and it will automatically design itself. The other part is the splines. Splines are nothing but a waveform of a line. So as you can see on the screen, you just have to click and it will make a waveform for a line. So coming to the next component is the center, is the rectangle. There are many types of rectangle in SolidWorks. I would prefer to use center or corner rectangle, which are the simplest form of rectangle. So selecting corner rectangle, you have to just select a point and the another point, and your rectangle is made up. The second type of rectangle is center rectangle, which will make a rectangle from its center. You have to just click the dimension again from smart dimension. The length will be set by manually. So the other tool is uh, straight slot. Let me show you what this tool does. So first you have to click on straight slot and select any 2 point and just move your cursor to increase and decrease the diameter, and it's done. Similarly, here is the polygon are of different side, as you can know, and different kind of design softwares have different kind of parameters or the type of corners you need. Like here you can select, here in the design tree you can select the number of columns you need in a particular polygon. Like I have selected, for example, 8, and I am making a polygon. See, as you can see on the screen, 8 corners will be appeared. This depends on what type of your component demands you to make. So the other tool is ellipse. Ellipse are nothing but an waveform of circle. So first you have to select a point here and another here, and increase and decrease by your cursor, and here it goes. So other is the fillet. I'll show you in some time what fillet does. It is nothing but to corner a surface. So other is text. Text are nothing but to insert a particular caption to your component, which is very easy to do. Next is trim. Trim are of different types in SolidWorks. I suggest you use the trim to close, which is the very easiest format to trim. So selecting on trim and coming to the rectangle, as I click on this surface, it will be erased. As you can see, it is very easy to use trim in SolidWorks. So other options are convert entities. Convert entities I will showing you in the another video, where I'll be making a perfect component which will make the design more clear to you. Now coming to fillet, let me make a component. Just a second. You can just select all and delete, and it will all be erased. Now now coming to the fillet option, you just have to make a normal component, and let's say if you want to corner it, uh, select here, select sketch fillet, and select the two surface you want to curve. So selecting this and this, so as you can see it is covered. You can also cap a proper dimension of how much distance you want to fillet a particular surface from here. Like I want to increase the surface or to decrease the surface. So it is very easy to do. So these are the all basic options which are needed in a SolidWorks. Now, how to convert a normal basic component into 3D design? It is very easy. Let me show you. So, uh, pressing Ctrl plus Z, it's normal, it is the undo option in SolidWorks. So just click again and delete whole surface. Now if you want to convert a normal 2D sketch into 3D surface, it is very easy. Just if I make one normal 3D sketch of an component, for example I have taken one normal rectangle and then selecting to the circle and making a normal circle from the center like this. Now trimming it, select trim and trim the unneeded surface. Okay, now select click and get out of the surface. Okay, so now go to features and click on the extrude surface. Clicking on the extrude surface, it will make your whole design into a 3D component. You can increase or decrease the whole component by clicking on this side, like increasing or decreasing. There are different options given on the design tree, like line represent for the normal basic surface. Mid to the plane will keep your object into the middle, and you can decrease and increase the length of the surface from the middle, and it will be increasing and decreasing from both of the side. You can also adjust the length from manually from the design tree. This is the normal representation of how SolidWorks work, and these are the normal components which are used to make a basic design. Hope you all like it. Thank you. So hey guys, I hope you liked the video. I will make a full detailed tutorial video on SolidWorks and other software as well. And if you like the video and the introductory part, so do hit that like button, and also
Okay, thank you.
subscribe to my channel. Until next time.
We be getting freaky on the weekend, and we don't even need to pretend. जिंदे मेरी है नी तेरे बिना होर कोई ना, दिल विच होर कोई ना जिंदे मेरी है, तेरे नैना दी समझ ना आवे, कदे प्यार कदे नखरा दिखावे, नखरे दा मुल कोई ना।